As you can see here, I got the sway bar down. I've cleaned some stuff up under here. It's a really small project. I took some brake cleaner and cleaned some of this other stuff off. But the bushings are ready to go on, and I just have to grease them. As I'm going, I'll turn a small project into a larger project because I think I'm gonna degrease the other side and clean it down before I put it all back together. So I went ahead and mocked these up, and this is the way it's gonna sit. This will be a tight fit because it just clamps in here, but it only fits in here one way, either the open end to the top or the open end to the bottom. But they're both mocked. This is the old bushing, so you can see the size difference. I got some of this stuff to grease them, make sure they're greased inside, outside, and on the bar. Okay, the first bushing is on, and what some people may not tell you on their bushing install videos, but I grease the inside because once you have it on the sway bar, it's going to be hard to grease. So grease the inside while it's off and slip it on, and you can grease the outside pretty easy. If you grease the outside before, it's going to slip around in your hands. This is the way I've done the driver's side. I'm about to do the passenger side, but the tip here is to use this bracket as a wedge and slip over your sway bar. Don't try and use a flathead screwdriver. Use something wide like the bracket because it will open that crease up. There's a lot of these other videos that just kind of slip them on, but I'm sure they use something to open this up first, so it's easier to slip on. But you got the grease on the inside. Open that up, slide it right on. That is water under the car, not oil. But slip that bushing on. This is the passenger side, obviously. Take a shot at the driver's side. Much cleaner over there. Now's the time to button it up. Just mock it up into place, don't tighten it down. Then hang the other side. Get it all lined up, then tighten everything up. And here's the shot from the driver's side. It is mocked and it's ready to be tightened. So I'm gonna grab the socket and get this over with. And we get a view in here, job is complete. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. I'm gonna get it back on the road, get it to settle, we'll see how it performs. Sway bars, not gonna be that big a deal. Thanks for tuning in. A little change of the bushings, and I want to tell you these are the brand that I got. Picked them up from O'Reilly's. NASCAR, baby. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. A little small video, getting it back on the road. Check out more videos and the progress right here. I'll catch you guys the next time.